My name is Marie Todd. I'm the principal at Churchill Park School here in Glendowie. Our school has a roll of just over 400 and we're set in a beautiful location in inner city Auckland, surrounded by a working farm. I was looking to build the middle leaders in this school and I needed support in being able to coach and mentor them, and the education group were able to come on board and help drive that vision and strategic direction. Sarah Hynds came into our school. She worked alongside our middle leaders throughout the year, where she met probably 3 or 4 times a term. What we've noticed is a real change in ethos, so a culture shift. Rather than the middle leaders being administrators, they're actually now our bright sparks, and they're actually able to share their knowledge and capabilities with a range of teachers throughout the school. What Sarah has enabled me to do is actually carry out the vision of the school. She's really been someone I can talk to in regards to how that progress is going, someone that I can collaborate with, who knows the nuances of leading within a school and has known when to push and has known when to pull back. So she's been foundational in helping me drive that vision. We believe one of the reasons why Sarah has been so instrumental in the culture shift within our school is because she's not long been out of a principalship herself. They are a group of experienced facilitators and they are amazing at what they do.